Okay, so this is one of my favorite tricks and I want to share it with you because it's so darn useful. This is a very dainty design, and what I want to do is put a loop on it. Two of them actually. Now, putting a loop on this, yeah, if you ever tried doing those, they take some patience, but not with this trick. So here's baking soda. This is a drinking straw, one of the little tiny ones, loaded up with baking soda. Okay, you're also going to need a pair of tweezers, and you're going to need your loop. Okay, so I'm using Bob Smith Industrial Superglue Extra Thick. I need one tiny drop right there. Okay. This is where you have no caffeine for the morning. And just brace it so it don't fall. That's what I call baking soda welding. Pretty neat, huh? Yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video.